Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this gorgeous bun. So firstly, you're going to be needing your canvas, and then you're needing nets like this one that I have here, and also you'll be needing some T-pins. This is the hair that I use, which is the Bouncy Kinky curls. This is what it looks like, and it's super nice and soft compared to the other kinky hair that I'm used to. And also we also need this crochet pin. Now let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to be using my T-pins to secure the net on the canvas, so as for it to be easy for me to crochet my kinky hair to the net. Once that is done and secured, I'm going to go ahead to cut my kinky hair into 4 because this hair is very long, so and I want a very short bun. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this into 4 as you're seeing it now. Now that I'm done cutting, I'm going to go straight into crocheting this hair into this net, and it's very easy to do. It's very beginner friendly, so just keep watching what I'm doing and you understand. And guys, we're done with the crochet. Now I'm going to go ahead to trim off those long parts, the ones that are not useful. I'm going to trim them off just to have a uniform look and to make the bun look neater. And that's it for this one, guys. I already trimmed it and everything is looking nice and well finished. And that's it for this video, guys. This is the final result. This is it on my daughter and she loved it so much. So guys, if you like this video, please drop a comment, like this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.